So today, guys, we're cutting my homeboy Tim. He usually gets like a buzz, but for the little bit of time now, he's been getting a little bit of hair on top, nice taper on the side. So that's what we're doing for him today. So what we're doing is we're creating our base length that we want to fade into. So what I'm doing is I'm going here with the 1.5 or 1 fully open and creating that base. Now we're going in with our number 2 lever fully open, just kind of soften up that line that was sort of created with that 1.5 guard. Now I'm going in with a 1.5 guard, and I'm just kind of hitting it right below that number 2 that I just hit with. Little lever play, lever open, half closed, fully closed. And what we're trying to do here, guys, is basically lighten up that original guideline that I put in with that 1.5 or 1 guard lever fully open section. And here I am going back in with the 1.5, or sorry, again, the 1 guard with lever fully open, half close and close. Just to kind of, and using a lot of my corners too. A lot of my corners is trying to take out all the dark spots, trying to soften up that line a little bit. So here we're going in with our Slimline Pro LIs, and we're basically creating our first guideline for the taper that we're going to be doing. Now we're going in with our Babyliss Low Pro clippers, lever fully open, creating our second guideline. Half closed, just hitting it below that guideline I just created, and fully closed to annihilate that bottom line that we created with the Slimline Pro LIs. Now we're going in with the 0.5, just kind of smoothing out, feathering out that line that we just put in with our Low Pro clipper, lever completely open. A lot of corner play, a lot of corner play. If you guys don't know corner play is definitely where it's at if you're trying to get out dark spots. You know, you don't want to sit your lever fully flat on the person's head and be trying to take out lines, because you're just going to create other guidelines, unnecessary guidelines. So kind of tilt your clipper a little to the left or the right and basically just use that corner, and that will definitely help you in the long run with your haircuts. Now we're just cleaning everything up. Just kind of nitpicking a little bit, you know, me being a perfectionist that I am. I like to go in, I like to just kind of, you know, use a lot of corner work with all my different guards that I used involved in the taper or the fade itself. So right now I'm using no guard, lever fully open, closed, fully closed. Now I'm going in again with the 0.5, and I'm using lever fully open, half closed and closed, just tapping at all the dark spots, everything, basically going over everything that I've already done, but just nailing it to perfection. All right, basically that side taper was done. So what we do on one side, we typically do on the other side, because it would just be freaking weird if you only have one side done. So we're going in on the second, on the other side, you know, number 1, 2, 0.5, basically everything we did on the other side, we're doing on his side. And guys, just to give you a heads up, my buddy Tim here, he owns, or partially owns, co-owner, PhysioMed in Vaughan, Ontario. So if you guys are looking for, you know, anything to do with, you know, chiropractic work or anything like that, definitely hit him up, check him out, and he'll take care of you guys. right, so here we're just doing the exact same steps that we did on the left side and the right side, but we're just applying it to the nape of the neck so we can give him a nice taper in the back of his head. Basically, yeah, all the same steps. So sit back, relax, and just watch everything come into place. And I definitely do want to apologize to you guys. I know I haven't released a video for quite some time. I've just been so slammed, so busy at work. It's been ridiculous, but now I actually got some free time. So I'll be releasing a lot more videos. I'm actually releasing 2 more. One on some pretty sick shoe covers, you know, for hairstylists, tattoo artists, barbers, and stuff like that. And the other one's actually on a mirror that produces heat, which I think would be very good for barbers. So, yeah, so basically here we're just going in with our Slimline Pro. Wow, not Slimline Pro. That's not cool. Our Babyliss Low Pro trimmers. And we're basically just, you know, shaping them up, hitting them with that vertical bar, hitting them with the, that C-cup. Now we're going in with a razor, just cleaning everything up. Now with the razor, guys, you don't want to go too quick with the razor. Definitely hold on to 45. Stretch the skin as much as you can. And, you know, if you don't, there is definitely a high chance that you could slice somebody pretty badly. And try not to apply too much pressure either. So here we're going in with our Babyliss Low Pros. Just lining them up around the nape area and around the ear. Try to keep it as natural as possible. You don't want to give the guy white walls and, you know, just make him look completely ridiculous around his ear. Now we're going in with the razor, just cleaning up everything we just did with the trimmer, making everything super, super crispy. Crispy is key, baby. Crispy is key. All right, now we're going in with our level 3 water bottle and our comb. Level 3 water bottle. That is a dope ass water bottle. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. I've had some pretty crappy ones, but this one, very consistent. So here we're going in with our Mizutani shears. Highly, highly, again, highly suggest, highly recommend Mizutani shears. Great company, great customer service. So here we're just taking off. He doesn't want too much off. Maybe like a finger width, a finger thickness of hair taken off. Still wants to be able to style it up, you know. Almost like a crop, but not really. Kind of a popped up front. So that's what we're doing here, guys. Now, as you can see, his bangs are quite uneven, so we're just going in and we're just trimming them up a little bit. Not exact to a T straight line, but you know, a very sloppy line. It's probably not the greatest term you want to use in barbering, but you get my drift. So now we're going in with our Mizutani texturizing shears, and we're just kind of going around the the area there, as you can see. And just taking off basically that dark ridge going around the head. It's not that bad, it's not that thick, it's just kind of smooth things out a little bit. And that's the finished product, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap that thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Appreciate you checking in and watching this video. Leave a comment below, and we'll see you on the next one. Ciao.